Next, we're going to put the centerboard in. Okay, so I have my centerboard and the centerboard cassette plates. We insert them on the centerboard on both sides. Like that. And the advantage of these cassette plates is that they are adjustable, so you can adjust by move them in or out with in the screw holes. You can adjust how tight they will be on the centerboard or how loose they will be. So we grab this whole unit and insert it onto the board, holding the two plates together until they fit inside. And that drops it right into the spot. And we're ready to put the screws on. Okay, so now I'm going to move this to get it snug against the centerboard, push it, and then tighten it down. And then same thing on the other ones. And we're set. The position of the